blizzard of March 13th, 1993. I'm getting soaking wet. Leanne will be coming in the... Leanne!
What is it? Mom, what are you doing? The worst snowstorm I've ever seen. Watch this. Must be 4 or 5 million inches.
I can't stay out on this too much longer, Leanne.
Oh, no. I'll make it snow, Mommy.
I can't see your face. Whoa!
Mommy!
Oh, God.
Today is to the end, and today is a blizzard. We can't have Scott's party, unfortunately, so we're moving it to next Saturday.
Okay, call me when you're done.
Maybe later on. My
You guys have sex to do that?
so I can't really see him.
They expected to go even higher.
Making the cake today. Here is Kelly.
Well, what am I gonna do? Drop it?
They say they
So
can't.
I had to handle a camcorder.
I've had-
My retard.
I've had a lot of trouble with the sound. So she puts the hand over the, I've had lots of trouble.
Say hi, Scott.
A lot of trouble with it.
Come on.
What they can expect.
Come here. Loading pony.
Hey.
Lollipop!
Upstairs.
Lollipop!
Stop pushing me. Who is it? Stop it.
Don't do that! The hell do you want to...
Whoa. Oh, he fell over. Oh, he fell
She's
over.
on camcorder. I'm going to go outside the camcorder.
Cheryl again. This is outside. It's a very horrible storm. And the winds are blowing, as you can hear. That's our car. Very cold out. And I just want to show you the snow here. Very interesting. It's our front door. Happy St. Patty's Day. Okay, it's the car again. So street is very, very snowy. Actually, you can see my feet, they're very in, you know. So, that's a good sign. And I doubt we're going to have school. But, I don't know. Let's try. It was supposed to be Scott's birthday, but as you can see, it's, well, too windy and stuff, so nobody's coming. But we're gonna have the cake tonight anyway, so that's good. Okay. Good night. I think it's gonna be peaches tonight. Say goodbye. For now.
Snow. See that, people?
Come here. Hey, camcorder there.
That's amazing. How's it feel to be taking snow?
What?
Shut up.
Not cool.
Not cool.
Ooh, I can tell something.
This is to Gemini.
There's the thing.
Oh, I have to go up.
Okay.
Oh, then there's the exit right there.
I'll go on the other side. I'll meet you there.
Cheryl, you're really annoying.
I know. Okay. Let's go moving into the hall to my room near the end. And this has a nice bed, chair, one bed, light, two bed, light fixture. Over here is the Angea. And if we turn here, over here is the Anne's door here again. And over here is my bed. Yeah, it's a pretty one, isn't it? Bed again, light post again, bed again. Okay, well, we have to get close up of these. I don't know what's wrong with my sister. She's Marky Mark pulling down his pants. He's a cute guy. I don't know who he is. Over there is Mario Lopez and Mark something. That's Grant Show. Over here is Taurus Spelling and Brian Austin Green. And there's Marky Mark, Joey Lawrence, and his brother Matthew. TV, basic thing, you know. Okay, let's go moving. Mommy doesn't know we're coming in, so that's where to surprise her. Hey!
How much would you like to spend on a
Hi, Mommy.
Hello, sweetheart. Let me
What
clean
would
this
you
up.
like on it?
Nice
Well,
room,
guess
huh?
what? You're out of luck. But you can't come back to real dealers. Or you can now get a color Sierra with a V6 Air.
This is my closet. Let's go under here. Watch this. Oh! Gonna fall.
All upstairs.
Welcome
Here's the
to our
board.
full course dinner party. Is there anything else about tape?
I don't know what's on this tape.
Great, just tape over it.
See the picture, man. Look, wait a minute. Look at the balloons. I never got this for my birthday party.
I never got it either. You only do the boys. The oldest.
Where are they?
Wait a minute. Look at the color balloons. Pop them? No. What?
Cheryl.
Give me big fever, don't give me this. Looks so sweet.
festive kind of mood.
She's always in that mood.
My
Please,
friends
Carol.
two of my friends
Well, you-
upstairs.
No,
The kids are
leave them alone.
Leave them up here.
Okay. Take a picture of the cake.
Let me put this away because the next time I shop, I'll be looking for it and I'll cuss everybody.
Mom, there's just nothing exciting going on.
I know. There will be.
Why don't you tape out? Always stick a balloon outside.
Meatballs?
I would like to.
Well, you know, they'll want to eat lunch, my crowd, so I haven't prepared.
I don't want mine.
Get out of here. All of them?
I have 5.
Oh, Jesus.
What?
that's, you have your hands full.
She's 13.
Okay, that's what I was sort of going by her.
Yeah, she's 13.
Put the light on. Is this all the light we have?
Well, that's all right.
Yeah, I don't want you to see what I'm doing.
Are you gonna tape the whole entire show?
No.
Yes.